Hey guys, it's Juicy J. Welcome back to my channel where we just vibe. Today is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be cooking in the kitchen. So if you guys want to see how I make my holiday banana pudding, keep on watching. First, you're going to line the bottom of the pan with your Chessman cookies, and you'll see that I'm going to cut some of them to fit in the little corners and crevices to make sure it's fully lined at the bottom. Then I'm going to go ahead and slice banana on top of the Chessman cookies, and this is just this bottom layer of the pan. It's going to have the cookies and banana.
I took this basics and turned her well above the average. I'm tired of your girlfriend, she come with some baggage. Like, homeboy, you can't have it. So dramatic. You yapping in my ear, I hear a bunch and I'm living laughing. We vibing. Turning up, she got me thriving. I got her wet like I'm beside.
And this is completely optional. I like to drizzle condensed milk on top of the cookies and bananas on the bottom layer, just to make it extra sweet.
Turning up, she got me thriving. I got her wet like I'm beside. My youngster blacks are like a guy. Eat it up like a tomato. I'm a wolf, she got me hollering. I'm trying to eat my stomach.
Now we're working on the pudding. You get 2 cups of your milk of choice. I use rice milk because I like how it tastes. And then I'll mix in the 2 packages of French vanilla instant pudding. And I used my KitchenAid, but if you have a hand mixer, that's okay to use too. In a separate bowl, you're going to mix your cream cheese. Hopefully it's softened already if you pulled it out the fridge maybe an hour or 2 before. And I mix it with a full can of condensed milk until it's smooth. In that same bowl, you can add your whip topping or Cool Whip in with the cream cheese and the condensed milk once it's already smooth. And just fold it in slowly. Now I'm taking that bowl and mixing it with my already mixed pudding and rice milk, which is in the KitchenAid bowl right here. Again, you could use a hand mixer if that's what you have at home. And now the pudding is done, and you see that it's pretty thick, which I enjoy banana pudding being this thick. And I put it on top of the bananas and the cookies, and I'm going to make another layer in the next part.
I'm the wolf, she got me hollering. I'm trying to eat my stomach growling. My stomach growling.
Now you're just going to top it again with more banana slices and cookies on top of that.
I'm a wolf, she got me hollering. I'm trying to eat my stomach growling. My stomach growling. Hey, man, I'm so outlandish. It's like I got this habit. We vibing. Turning up, she got me thriving. I got her wet like I'm beside. My youngster blacks are like a guy. Eat it up like a tomato. I'm a wolf, she got me hollering. I'm trying to eat my stomach growling.
And now it's all done. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.